So the key for these is I'm going to try to put these things in different colors when I put them on the diagram. So bisect means two equal parts. I'm cutting an angle in half, so I'm going to get angles. All right. So when I go, it bisects YSG. So I'm going to kind of highlight some things here. I'm not going to get crazy with the marks. So there's my angle that's getting cut in half. That means it's going to make two equal parts, which are going to be that angle and that angle right there. So those angles are equal to each other. All right, then I have perpendicular. Now, hopefully we talked about this. If we didn't and you're watching this video, I apologize for that. This makes right angles. Okay, but I want to add in now that it makes congruent right angles, because I'm always looking for congruent things when I'm trying to trying to figure out if triangles are congruent to each other or not. So I want to have congruent angles, congruent sides. So I don't just want to say there's one right angle. I want to say that there's a pair of congruent right angles or someplace in here. So where are those right angles? Well, ST is that line. YG is that line. The right angles are where they hit, which means they'd be there and there. All right, so there's my right angles. That's all it tells me. I also need to look for vertical angles and or reflexive property. So I'm gonna use my color here a little bit different. So I have a yellow triangle right there. I have a blue triangle right there. All right, and I have this side right there shared in common. I'm going to write reflexive property in pink. Oh, purple, I mean, sorry, it's not pink, it's purple. So now I have all of my marks put onto the diagram. So now I actually take my 5 ways and I'm going to go through and eliminate the ones that I can eliminate. Hypotenuse leg needs a right angle. It has a right angle, so I can't get rid of hypotenuse leg. This side at the top needs 3 pairs of sides. I only have 1. Okay, same problem there. It needs 2 pairs. I only have 1. So I've got 3 possible choices because these both need 2 pairs of angles. This one and this one, angle, angle, side, angle, side, angle. I have a pair of angles here. I have a pair of angles here. I have a pair of sides there. All right. Now, hypotenuse leg. The hypotenuse would need to be congruent. The hypotenuse is over there and over there. There's no hypotenuse. So that one's out. So hypotenuse leg is out. So now I look at these 2 things. This one right here, the sides are in the middle. Okay, that is exactly what's happening because the angles are, say, here and here in the blue triangle, and the sides are right in the middle. So this one is, yes, they are congruent because of angle, side, angle, because the side is in the middle.